All right, hi guys. My name is Andrew Cambron, and I'm here to present an infographic on the process of machine learning. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the use of computer systems that adapt and learn on its own without human instruction. Uses of machine learning, or so the essential process of machine learning, you feed a data set to an algorithm, then this machine learning program, once the algorithm learns through the data set, will be able to make its own assumptions and conclusions without the use of humans. So the first step to machine learning is to identify a problem. Is there a task that what task do you want the AI to complete, and what is the target audience? So there's a wide range of applications for machine learning. So there are several tasks and problems that it can complete. One example, if you're a doctor and you could create a machine learning program that could determine certain illnesses based on the symptoms that you give it. Another example, if you're a business CEO and you want to determine what's the best product to release to the public, you can make a machine learning application for that. So the next step after you identify a problem is to find an algorithm. There are two ways to go about this. One, you can find an algorithm online. There are several pre-made algorithms that are available that were created by experts and are very effective, or you can create your own. Now, most people will go with the former since creating your own algorithm is both very difficult and time consuming. There are pros and cons to both. Of course, if you create your own algorithm, you can create it exactly how you want it to, which can save time in the future when you have to adjust it. However, like I said, it takes a while to do, and the pros to finding one on the internet, it's already pre-made. You don't have to spend any time creating it. And if there are issues, you can adjust it and it probably won't be as time consuming. So once you find an algorithm, you feed the data set to the algorithm. Now, obviously, the data set, if we're going back to the illnesses, if you're a doctor example, you would feed the data set a set of symptoms for each illness that you want to identify. And then the goal is for the machine learning application to be able to identify an illness on its own based on the symptoms you give it. Now, of course, it's not going to be 100% accurate on the first go. That's why you will probably find yourself adjusting the algorithm. And you can do this until it gets your desired efficiency rate. It probably won't be 100%, but you can bring it close to that. And most people will shoot for 98% or higher. Once it reaches your desired level of efficiency, you can release the machine learning program to the public. Your first step is to purchase a server to hold the application on, and then you can send this program to academic journals and post it on social media to get your name out there. Also, you can send it to the people, you can send it to your target audience. If you're a doctor, you can send it to other medical professionals where they can use it and give good reviews on it in their practice. If it's for a business, people who want to determine a product, you can send it to business CEOs and they can give a good review on it if it works for them, and so on and so forth. Now let's look over some key vocabulary. An algorithm is a method by which an AI system conducts its task. To go even further into that, a method is a block of code that is used to accomplish a certain task. This can go anywhere from a calculator method that adds, subtracts, and divides to a method that can learn things like learning what a certain card is, learning a certain math equation or physics problem. And finally, as I said earlier, machine learning is the use of computer systems that adapt and learn without following explicit instructions. For my citation, I have used an article called Machine Learning, Applications of Artificial Intelligence to Imagining and Diagnosis by the Biophysical Reviews journal. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.